Hello, welcome back. You seriously need to see this best Android 14 wireless. This is considered a total must-have for this year. After testing it myself, I finally understand why it's so popular. Don't go anywhere, because the value here is mind-blowing. First off, the craftsmanship, it exceeds all expectations. The attention to detail on this specific model is stunning. You can really tell they didn't cut any corners. It feels way more expensive than it actually is, giving you that luxury experience. It's designed to fit perfectly into your busy lifestyle. It delivers consistent results every single time you use it. It's reliable, quiet, and honestly, just a joy to use every single day. It's a major upgrade to your productivity and lifestyle. Now, here's the catch: stock is moving fast. Grab the discount via the link below, and secure yours at the best possible price today.